Hi guys, it's me Alicia, and I do have a quick tutorial on the perfect fall hair piece. Yes, okay. As you guys know, this does come from PremierLaceWigs.com, and in your wig package you do get an elastic band, a stocking cap, a cute new little brochure that they put along with their wigs, and of course your unit. I decided I wanted something a little thick because it's fall and it's cooling down. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm looking at the weather report and it's only like 90 degrees. I know y'all like, what? But yes, 90 degrees is quite cool if you live in Arizona, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, I went ahead and picked up this piece. When you first get your unit, make sure you brush through it to make sure it's not shedding. I did wash this hair off camera and put a middle part in it. I don't think this hair came with the part, so I would advise, especially that it has a lot of hair, to wash it before you wear it, okay? So yeah, this is the way the hair looks like. Believe it or not, the density on this unit is only a 120, and it's so full, it's so thick. You have got to love kinky straight hair, okay? I did pick up their, I think this is their 20-inch. I'll leave everything down below so you guys can see all the details and whatnot. But I do believe my unit is a 20-inch. Now I'm just cleaning up that parting space. I do, you know, just spray a little water just to get the hairs to go in one direction. And now I'm just using my powder brush just to get rid of the flyaways. And I like to use my LA Pro Conceal in the color Toffee just to match with my complexion, and put a little of my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I think that's Dark Deep, or it might just be dark on top. All right, so for the baby hairs, I like to use a little gel. That's just what I like to use. And now I decided that I wanted to flat iron this hair. I did record this video like 4 times. I wanted to do a top knot, I wanted to do some braids, I wanted to do something like a festival, and it just wasn't coming out right because there's not a whole lot of lace on this unit. I do believe it's 3 inches of lace ear to ear. So I didn't have enough lace to do those styles, so I just decided, hey, I'm going to use some It's a 10 and flat iron the hair. I didn't want the hair bone straight. I did like the fact that it was nice and full. I want to keep that look, but tame it down a little bit because it was just too much hair for my frame. You know, I'm a tall, lean girl, so hair like that just doesn't look good on me. So I like to make it a lot less dense and just, you know, so it frames me better. All right, you guys just saw that I use a little foaming wrap mousse on top for the flyaways. Now I'm just adding a little layering. I'm gonna go back in and layer it some more, but at this point I kept thinking I wanted a look, you know, kind of like a wrap. I didn't want too much of a layer, but just like a wrapping effect. And I also wanted to use those layers in case I wanted to curl the hair. I would advise you that hair this thick doesn't curl that well, or okay, I'll take it back. It does curl well, but it doesn't hold a curl well. So if you want to curl this hair, I would advise that you use flexi rods and let it sit overnight, but it doesn't really hold a curl that well, okay? But yeah, this is the way it's looking like, and I do think the hair is very soft. I didn't get much shedding, but I did use my top lock knot sealer. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this unit. I do have a discount code that I'll leave down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.